Okay, my name's Eamon. I'm coming with the business side of things. So today I've actually been going out and surveying a lot of people within this space, and I also went out to the mall, getting a bit of feedback on our sort of idea, validating it, and just getting some idea for us in order to actually build it.
My name's Chris. I've got a business background as well. Today I've been focusing on the business planning, market opportunity, looking at logistics and suppliers of our product, allquickbuyers.co, and yeah, that's what I've been doing.
My name's Ben. I'm a programmer, so I've been working on the front end for the goal setting up that we're doing.
My name's Samantha. I've been looking into market research as well, things such as consumer behaviour, so what actually encourages people to set goals, what motivates them towards actually achieving their goals. Also developing surveys via StartupADL and actually going around and engaging with other startup participants to see what they think of our ideas.
I'm Yulani and I've got a marketing background, so we've just been looking at also what customers are looking for and what's motivating people and what our competitors are doing, and looking at the visual side of it as well.
My name's Jason and I'm a developer, so we've just been putting together a shopping cart and putting together the actual recurring billing stuff, working out what the ladies actually need. So we've had interesting conversations about flows. I'm educated now.
So how did the idea come about? Is it two products?
So we've got two separate ideas. So they're two separate businesses, so to speak. So
I think initially we started with the goal idea, and then the last week we've all been talking about how do we actually monetize it, and what do we need to do. So as a backup plan, we're like, well, hey, if that doesn't work, let's just sell condoms.
Well, for instance, with the goal setting application, it was just a goal setting application to start with, but then the commercial viability of the product meant that we sort of had to have a revenue model in there, so we incorporated a reward shop into the whole project, so people could actually, based on reward and recognition as to why people actually achieve goals, they could go on and purchase something for someone to encourage them to achieve a goal, and that meant that we had a revenue stream for our business, making it a little bit more viable.
So if you had to pitch this idea in like one sentence, what would be the best way to describe it to your customers, really? Your target market?
An application that actually helps you achieve your goals, essentially through reward and recognition.
The same thing.
So with condoms, to us, we're solving a problem where it's awkward for people to go to the shops, buy condoms at the checkout. They don't have the confidence. So our research shows that 56% of people feel embarrassed buying condoms. So that's where the business model of doing subscriptions, monthly subscriptions comes in, padded envelopes, and it's confidential. Private life is your private life.
reducing STIs as well.
Exactly.
Unwanted pregnancies. So,
Is that one of your goals that you're trying to track?
look, it's certainly something we'll consider. So, but back to the actual goal setting application. The way I'd probably describe it would be, we're actually enabling people to set, track, and achieve their goals, and share those goals with other people. So having a bit of a community around it as well.
So what attracted you guys to start up in terms of using it as a platform to get your idea up and going?
Most of us are in startups already. So most of us in this team are already in startups or about to enter into startups, and this week is just another good way to network with everybody else and see how everyone works. It's just amazing the last couple of years what startups have actually achieved in Adelaide. And just the community that's getting built up, so why not get in it instead of sitting at home and doing it by yourself?
And it's my first time I've done a startup weekend, so it was just about seeing what's happening and being involved in a really interesting environment, and just checking it out and seeing if that's what it seems to be.
Has the experience been what you were expecting?
It's been really different in the way that everyone's involved in the team, and there's sort of not everyone's skills seem to complement each other and really help out So no matter what level you're at, it's really great.
For me, I just wanted to work with these people as well because I think it's good just to get an understanding of what each other's skill sets are and strengths and weaknesses and how you can potentially work together on future projects. I've got to know some of these people and it's just really cool to get some insights as to how you click.
I've been overseas for the last couple of startup weekends, and I really wanted to go along. We've heard a lot of good stuff about it, so here I am.
For me, it's just about something fresh. Like this idea's just been last 24 hours. So what we're doing is we're going through the process of either validating a business in 24 hours, make it profitable, otherwise fail. So that's what it's about. It's about succeeding or failing.
I've come along to Startup Weekend, I guess, just for the experience, just have a bit of fun, spend some time with some people that I do know, meet some new people. Yeah, just different sort of experience.
And how was the group formation part? Because I remember when everyone was upstairs all hectic and rushing around. How did you guys find each other and want to be a part of a team together?
Well, I think that we just sort of
we've
kind of met each other before, so no, we know each other. No, we've met each other before, and so and a few of us have worked together, and we knew we sort of could work together, or like we had different skills which we could all bring to it. So we kind of formed the team pretty easy, and then we also picked up there was another guy that also came along.
Didn't stick around for very long though.
No. Well, I think we probably just had a few too many sort of people. So his skills are better served in another team. So.
If you guys had one word to describe your experience here this weekend, what would it be? Each.
Nachos, with a question mark.
Nachos.
It was meant to be nachos. Where were the nachos?
They're in the kitchen over there.
No one told me. I must say they're friends.
Awesome.
Websites.
Loving it.
Fun.
Well, it's an adrenaline. So.
Cool. Alright, awesome. Is there anything else that you guys would like to share at all about your experience here this weekend, or working in a team, or working on two separate things at the same time? Anything else that comes to mind that you'd like to say?
The only thing, if you're not here, get here next time.
Awesome.
Definitely.
So you would definitely recommend for people to live this experience for themselves?
Oh yeah.
Absolutely.
Regardless of what level of experience you have, I think coming along, having a go is really worthwhile.
And if you're an entrepreneur or tech person, get involved with groups out there like Startup Adelaide and Majoran Distillery, because they're the places that you're going to meet and form the connections to really bond in these kind of arrangements.